This instrument, the spiral stone drum, while playing this one, you have to just twist it. Don't try to pull or shake, otherwise it's high chance to fall on our head. Yeah. Yeah, while playing this one, it gives two sounds. One is thunder and another one is lightning. Just tap on the spring, it gives lightning sound, and twist towards right or left until it gets tension. When you feel the tension on the spring, just leave it. Close your eyes and feel the thunder sound.